Hello and welcome back to Keeping Up with the Captains. I'm Jack.
No, I'm Brie.
And today I'm in a different area because Brie is teaching me how to cook. This could go really bad.
Look, the thing I have gotten you to make today, I've made it multiple times, and first time I made it, it was fine because it's not a hard recipe, but I knew it was something that you haven't made before. So hopefully, and we don't need the oven. Just let you all know he's not going to burn the house down. It's all good. But yeah, it's going to be fun.
I think so. I showed Mum the ingredients because I've only seen the ingredients. I don't know what it is, but I think I know what it is. I think it's a cheesecake. That's my guess.
Right.
But I showed Mum and she goes, "Oh, I think this is a bit hard for you."
Actually.
Yeah, so I'm a little worried.
No, it's not a hard. Trust me, I promise.
What do I need to do first, Brie?
So you got everything, like everything.
Yeah, I've got everything on my bench over there.
The first step, you need to combine the biscuits and butter. So you need to break the biscuits up so like they're not too big in crumbs.
And should I mix, put them in a mixer?
Like a processor. Do you have a food processor?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want.
I've never used this before. Ooh. Why do they make the cords so short?
Don't put that in. No.
Oh, maybe I did put too many in.
Yeah, I
That's
told
right.
you to do half.
It'll mash it up. How do I unlock it? Oh my god, why won't it? Oh, there we go. Mum's having a look through the window, keeping an eye on me.
So you need to put them in a bowl. It doesn't have to be too big, but in a decent bowl.
Will that one be okay?
I thought. Yeah, that'll be fine.
I reckon I got the perfect consistency.
Well, that's good. Okay, now you need to melt your butter.
How much butter do I need?
You need 75 grams.
Okay. Is that what you usually do too?
I followed the recipe, yes, Jack.
Well, we didn't with the biscuits.
It depends. You need a little bit more after that. You can just melt a little bit more and then add it.
Okay, there we go, 74. I'll leave the rest there in case we need it.
Oh my god, your microwave is such a cool play. That's so cool. You can use your finger to see if it sticks together, and if it doesn't stick together well, then you need to add more butter.
I think I'm going to need way more.
No, get your... yeah, maybe add a little bit more. It doesn't matter if you got too much butter, that's fine.
Okay, I just put all that butter in there. I still don't think there's enough butter.
But you're going to compact it.
It's still crumbly. It won't even stick together in my fingers.
Oh. I reckon that should be fine. That'll be fine.
But is it going to be fine?
It should be fine, yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to put a tiny bit more in.
The whole video is just you putting more butter.
Is that big enough?
Yeah.
For 4 people? I like me cheesecake. I also have this one.
Okay, you can do that one if you want then. But you're gonna have baking paper on the bottom anyway, so it's not gonna be dirty. So you can try the bigger one, and then if you have to, you can move it to the smaller one. All I'm doing is sitting here telling you what to do.
Usually it's the other way around.
You don't teach me how to cook.
No, but I tell you what to do.
I tell you what to do.
Ho ho ho. Is that right? I'm just getting rid of the lumps. Does it get easier after this step?
For me, the whole thing is easy, but maybe not for you. You can either use your hands to compact it, or you can get a measuring cup or something, and then you can just compact the whole thing so it's even.
Okay, I think it's good.
Okay, so put that in the fridge. You need to dissolve 2 teaspoons of gelatin in 1/4 cup of boiling water, and you need to wait for that to cool.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4 cup. Okay.
Okay, now you need to wait for that to cool. We'll get on going. We need to wait for that to cool. Go on to the next step.
But there's lumps of gelatin in it.
Are you listening to me? You're going to be using an electric whisk in the cream cheese and stuff. So that'll get When you put that in, it'll get mixed together.
Yeah, but I don't want gelatine chunks.
Jack, please stop mixing it. Okay, now you need to get your cream cheese. So you need a 500-gram block of cream cheese.
Ooh.
I love eating the cream cheese off the metal. No, not. Oh, you already put it in. Oh, I thought you just heat that at a big chunk. Looks like because it was white on the foil, so it just looked like you ate a whole big chunk.
Okay, 3 of these.
A teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Yep.
Come on, no.
I don't know if it's in properly. It'll fling off if it's not.
It should click in.
Yeah, well, I think it did.
Oh, this is scary. Yeah, mix them together. I probably should have got you to use the mixer for something else first, but it's fine. You don't have to clean them because you just need to softly whip a little bit of cream, but you can use the same thing as you just used. Don't worry about washing it because it's all going to go in the same thing. While we're waiting for the gelatin mixture to like cool down, we are going to softly whip the cream. So get a cup of cream. I forgot this recipe had a lot of different steps to it.
Oh, I know, it's quite stressful. Oh, I could just put the whole thing in almost.
You want to softly whip it, so just put the whisk in.
Pardon?
Maybe watch what you're doing.
Oh. Pardon?
This is probably the part that takes the longest. Okay, now I want you to... Do you want to melt the chocolate in the microwave, or do you want to melt it on a double boil? Microwave?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Flicking the excess off the...
We're moving on from that step.
You know, I'm going to have so many dishes.
I know. That's why I'm making you make it and not me. I don't like dishes.
How much of this do I need?
How much of what? The chocolate?
Chocolate.
200 grams. So you need to break them into like the little blocks.
Oh, really?
It's better for melting, yeah.
I feel like the cream's going to start going off.
No, it won't.
It's pretty warm in here.
Jack, the cream will be fine. It doesn't go off that quick.
Oh, okay. Oh, it has. It's starting to melt.
That's good. Is it looking better?
It's almost all melted.
Okay, so do another like 20 seconds. Is there any lumps?
Oh, no, it's nice and smooth.
That to cool a little bit, just because you don't want to curdle the cream. So set that to like just next to you. Did you get big marshmallows?
Yes.
You want to cut them up a little bit. You need a cup.
Yeah, but what am I cutting them into? Halves or quarters?
Quarters. Ooh, Jack, honestly, after you've done this, you just need to put it all together and then you mix it and then you put it into the pan and it's done.
The scissors are starting to stick together.
Yeah, I know, but you probably almost finished anyway. I want you to check on your gelatin.
I'm just going to put the marshmallows back.
Is it hard?
No, it's syrupy. Oh, it's starting to go jelly.
That's all right. No, is it like thick or what does it look like?
Like lumpy bits of jelly. It's like jelly.
That's fine. We'll whisk it in. So put that into the cream cheese mixture that we made. Just mix it with the electric mixer till it's combined. That's it. Okay, now I want you to add the chocolate into that mixture too.
I'm just going to have a spoon.
Okay, now you need to mix that in. Now, I want you to get a spatula or something.
Another dish to wash. Okay. It's a small one.
Now, I want you... Is that the electric mixer still in what you've just mixed? I want you to take that out. I want you to get everything off them. Is it most of it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I want you to put the cream into the mixture that you just mixed.
Cream in. Okay.
Yes. Do you know how to fold? Like fold
Yes.
the cream? Yeah, I want you to do that.
I hope that cream was in date. 30th of October.
It's only the 9th. It's only the 10th. I hope the cream was in date. Didn't your mum only buy it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, why wouldn't it be in date then? Okay, so I want you to put the marshmallows and the raspberries into that mixture you've just like all mixed. And I want you to fold, so similar to how you did the cream. Don't mash them too much because of the raspberries. Doesn't matter if it's the raspberries kind of bleed. It's all good.
I'm not good with blood.
No.
Oh, we've got a bit of blood.
That's all right.
Okay, I think we're all good and combined.
Okay. I want you to pour the mixture into that. And then you can use the spatula to make it even. And then that's finished. You're allowed to put it in the fridge. But this is the first time making it for you. I reckon you've done amazing. Oh my God, that looks so good.
What do you reckon? Everyone at home?
Oh my
I think
God,
we did
Jack,
it.
it's so good. That looks so good. Okay, now you put that in the fridge.
Put it in the fridge, okay.
Oh my God, I'm so proud.
There we go. We did it, guys.
Okay.
Everyone at home, we'll see you in 3 or 4 hours. Brie, I remember when we filmed most of this episode, and remember at the end I said, we'll come back to you in, 4 or 6 hours?
Yeah. It's been 4 days.
4 days?
Today's Tuesday. When did we do it?
Last Sunday. It's been a week.
No, it hasn't been that long.
Yep. We filmed it on
It has.
the... It's been a week and 2 days since we filmed that episode. The cheesecake is well and truly gone by now.
Oh, I want it so.
But anyway, we're here today to talk about the cheesecake, finally. In our second last episode of Keeping Up with the Captains, we've got one more for you before Brie leaves and goes off to become
A chef.
the next judge on MasterChef. But the cheesecake actually turned out really well.
Well, that's good.
It
Did your
did.
parents like it? Like, did Jessie like it?
Yep.
That's
Jessie,
good.
Mum and Dad all liked it. I think even Poppy, our little puppy, liked it.
Oh.
She didn't have any,
I
but
was
she
gonna
liked
say,
the look of it, I think.
That's good.
And I've got some pictures here, actually. I took some pictures before we ate it.
It
because-
looked really good. Like, you
Thank you.
decorated it really nice too.
Thank you. I did try my best.
Yeah.
And you know how I was a bit worried about chunks of gelatine?
Yes, it was fun, wasn't it?
There was no gelatine.
I told you. I'm like, it'll be fine. No. It was fun, wasn't it?
I got rave reviews. Every single person in my family loved the cheesecake.
See, I told you it would be good.
I think it only lasted 2 days. And
Yeah,
it
no,
was all gone.
every time Mum and I make it, it only lasts a couple of days.
And I had big slices when I
Yeah.
had a slice.
It's
Yeah.
good, isn't it?
It is good. So I'm actually, thank you so much
That's all
for
right.
teaching me how to make a
Now you
cheesecake.
have the recipe.
Now I'm going to be making cheesecakes every single day.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think that would be good for my stomach.
Probably not.
A lot of dairy there. Anyway, what was the cheesecake called?
It was a raspberry, white chocolate, and marshmallow cheesecake.
Okay, so that's what I thought it was. I
Yeah.
thought it's a very long...
Yeah.
That wraps up this episode of Keeping Up with the Captains. One more to go, Brie.
Yes.
We're going to just be chatting in our next episode, chatting about this year, the difficulties, the good bits,
I reckon it.
and maybe look at some bloopers.
Yes! The coronavirus one.
We're up for the bloopers. Not too many embarrassing ones, though.
Oh, maybe.
I'm going to go through them before anyone sees them to make sure they're not too embarrassing. Anyway, between then and now, stay safe. We'll see you soon.
Bye. Between then and now, stay safe.
Now and then. I think it was
You
supposed
said then and now.
Yeah, it was supposed to be the other way
That's
around.
right. They'll find funny. We need bloopers in this.
I meant now and then. Bye.
Bye.